Good afternoon, my YouTubers and friends. I'm just here doing a little work. Here, hold it. Doing a little work. Bringing some stuff to throw in that place that I block up out by the shop front. Yeah? Anna! This time I'll pull up a little place with some bowlers. Yeah, man. So, big up to Miss Bev Production. King Nick. Flowers. From all I English school them. Yeah, man. All our English school know themselves, you know. So, just big up, yeah? I want to just make the right thing. To all our people them from Texas. For real. Just there I go and do the right thing. Say me use off the block them when we buy today. When we go buy what day and then come here today. I finish just run up here to the left. You need a bit more, but I will just box and cast here side to a step hike. Yeah. So hopefully we don't pull up here so by tomorrow. Yeah, man. So this is how we work on the double, you know. For real. So to all the friends them, the well-wishers them, remember, please to share, like and to subscribe. Yeah? Yeah, man. So as you can see, this area still a pour some stone. Have quite a bit more to pour. So I'm bring a stone from round by the house. Yeah, man. Because we want to cast it off to this level. So we can have a area where sometimes can do a little jerk chicken and stuff like that. I won't make a cover on it, but if anything and I'm doing something here, I will just put up a chaparlin because I don't want to put anything too close to the road. Yeah. So I'm here. Peace out and look out for a continuation. Gully shop and thing, you know. So peace. Hello to my daughter. Yeah, man. Cool.